Welcome to TP Studies. Today we are having with Group T, RRB, important GK bits. Let's have the first one. In which of the following province? In which of the following province of British India Raitwari system was introduced for collection of taxes? For the collection of taxes. So the options, first one North India, South India, Western India and Eastern India. So the answer is the second one, which is South India. So the next one. The second one, who among the following has been appointed as the Special Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation CBI? So the options, first one Rakesh Asthana, Praveen Sinha, Saroj Sharma and the last one Lata Mandral. So the answer is Praveen Sinha. The next one. Constitution makers of India had taken the concept of liberty, equality and fraternity from which constitution? From which constitution? So the answer, so the options, French Constitution, Canadian Constitution, British Constitution and Irish Constitution. So the answer is French Constitution. Next one. Which of the following is not the allotrope of carbon? So the options, first one graphite, second one methane, third one diamond, fourth one C60 Buckminster fullerenes. So the answer is methane. The next one. Which of the following is not a Grand Slam in tennis? Which of the following is not a Grand Slam in tennis? First one Australian Open, second one Wimbledon, third one Roland Garros, fourth one Indian Open. So the answer is Indian Open. Next one. Which of the following is not a capital good? Not a capital good. So the options, tools, food and clothing, machines, truck. So the answer is food and clothing is not a capital good. So the next one, expenditure to increase production capacity or type of? Expenditure to increase the production capacity or type of? So the options, revenue expenditure, production expenditure, investment expenditure or capital expenditure. So the answer is investment expenditure. So the next one, which of the following causes black fever? Black fever. So the options, E. coli, Azotobacter, Clostridium, Leishmania. So the option number 4, Leishmania is the right answer. So the next one, doctrine of lapse was given by? Doctrine of lapse was given by options Lord Cornwallis, second one Lord Bentinck, third one Lord Dalhousie and the fourth one Lord Canning. So the answer is Lord Dalhousie. Next one. To digest protein, which of the enzyme is present in pancreatic juice? To digest protein, which of the enzyme is present in pancreatic juice? So the options, trypsin, pepsin, amylase or UPS. So the answer, trypsin is the correct one. The next one, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule are part of which organ of body? So the options, first one heart, second one kidney, third one lungs and the fourth liver. So the option number 2, kidney, is the correct one. Next one, the Government of India is celebrated National Statistic Day on 29th June on the birth anniversary of. So the first one Srinivas Ramanujan, second one S. Krishnaswamy Iyengar, third one S.R. Ranganathan, fourth one Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. So the option number 4 Professor P.C. Mahalanobis is the correct one. Next one, to study and evaluate which of the following Kelkar committee was commissioned. Kelkar committee was commissioned. So the first one, public-private partnership model, status of sugar mills, privatization of Air India, poverty of India. So the option number 1, public-private partnership model is the correct one. Next one, which of the following state has bicameral legislature? Bicameral legislature. So the options Punjab, Goa, Bihar and Sikkim. So option number 3, Bihar. Next one, Turkey and Daesh have begun joint military drills. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk 2021 in Baku. So the options Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Iran. So the option number 3, Azerbaijan, Turkey and Azerbaijan has begun joint military drills. So the next one, Moti Mosque of Delhi was made by which Mughal emperor? Moti Mosque. So the options Akbar, Humayun, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. So the option number 3, Aurangzeb. Moti Mosque of Delhi was made by Aurangzeb. Next one, which of the following pair matches correctly? So the first one, Kathak Kerala, Kuchipudi Odisha, Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Uttar Pradesh. In these pairs the correct one is Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu is the correct pair. Next one, which of the following was beaten by Britishers in 1799 war of Srirangapatnam? So the options Najib Jung, second one Tip Sultan, third one Sirajud-Dawla, fourth one Peshwa. So the option number 2, Tip Sultan. Next one, skin is which type of membrane? Skin is which type of membrane? So the options serous membrane, cutaneous membrane, synovial membrane, mucous membrane. So skin is which type of membrane? So the answer is cutaneous membrane. It's a cutaneous membrane. So the next one, Hauz-e-Sultani is a Hauz-e-Sultani is a tower, big water body, palace or mosque? It's a big water body. Hauz-e-Sultani is a big water body. Next one, which of the following Indian actress is part of global girl up movement? Global girl up movement. So the options Priyanka Chopra, Kareena Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So the option number 1, Priyanka Chopra is the correct one. So the next one, as per 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, duration of Panchayat is, as per 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, duration of Panchayat is, so the options 4 years, 3 years, 6 years or 5 years. So the option number 4, 5 years is the correct one. Next one, uppermost of earth is called. Uppermost of earth is called, the options mantle, second one core, third one magma, fourth one crust. So the uppermost of earth is called crust. Next one, formation of river delta is result of which process? Formation of river delta. River delta is result of which process? The processes degradation, sedimentation, evaporation and condensation. So the evaporation is the formation of river delta is a result of evaporation. So the next one, which of the following is a cold oceanic wave? Cold oceanic wave. Which of the following is a cold oceanic wave? So the options: Gulf Stream, Agalha Stream, Labrador Stream, Alaska Stream. So which of the following is a cold oceanic wave? So the option number 3, Labrador Stream. Next one, who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? First woman ruler of Delhi. So the options: Rani Roopmati, second one Chand Bibi, third one Manikarnika, fourth one Razia Sultana. So the option number 4, Razia Sultana is the correct one. Next one, edible part of banana is, edible part of banana is endocarp and mesocarp, pericarp, epicarp and mesocarp. So endocarp and mesocarp is the correct one. Edible part of banana is endocarp and mesocarp. Next one, the longest river of peninsular India is, the longest river of peninsular India is, options: Tapati, Godavari, Mahanadi and Narmada. So the option number 2, Godavari. Godavari is the longest river of peninsular India. So the next one, which of the following is the world's longest venomous snake? Which of the following is the world's longest venomous snake? So the options: viper, mamba, king cobra or coral snake. So the option number 3, king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. The next one, the dash is the first citizen of India. The dash is the first citizen of India. So the options: first one vice president, second one president, prime minister, member of legislative assembly. So the answer is president. The president is the first citizen of India. The next one, in the game of chess, which animal does a rook represent? In the game of chess, which animal does a rook represent? So the options: goat, horse, elephant, camel. So the option elephant. Elephant does a rook represent. The next one, on which of the following river banks is Jammu situated? On which of the following river banks is Jammu situated? So the options: Mahanadi, Tavi, Tungabhadra, Rapti. So the option number 3, Tungabhadra is the correct one. AIDS virus destroys the bodies. AIDS virus destroys the bodies. First one, red blood corpuscles. Second one, liver. Third one, circulatory system. Fourth one, immune system. So AIDS virus destroys the body's immune system is the correct one. The next one, in which constitutional amendment act were the seats of Lok Sabha increased from 525 to 545? In which of the constitutional amendment act were the seats of Lok Sabha increased from 525 to 545? So the options: 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967, second one 24th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971, 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973, 25th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971. So the Constitutional Amendment Act, in which Constitutional Amendment Act were the seats of Lok Sabha increased from 525 to 545 is 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973. Next one, National Bamboo Mission is a sponsored scheme of Ministry of. National Bamboo Mission. National Bamboo Mission is a sponsored scheme of Ministry of. The options: environment, forests and climate change. Second one, water resources. Third one, agriculture and farmers welfare. Fourth one, chemicals and fertilizers. So, National Bamboo Mission is a sponsored scheme of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.